Hello, Jake. Baby Jake loves making noise. Here we go, Baby Jake.
Louder. Louder.
Yes, it's the Yowda. A flying saucer. A flying saucer adventure. Time for an adventure. Goggy, Gia. Magic fun with Baby Jake. Goggy, Gia. If you want to have some fun, Goggy, Gia. Come and play with Magic Baby. Goggy, Gia.
Hello.
Hello, Jake.
Me.
You're right, Baby Jake. That was a neigh-neigh. When you sat on that button, the horn went, ha, ha. Uh-oh. You're not going to, are you, Baby Jake?
Me.
You're being so noisy, Baby Jake. Look, you've woken up an alien. Baby Jake says he loves making a noise.
Come on.
Uh-oh. Jake says it's not noisy enough yet. Wow! That's a big noises there, Baby Jake. I didn't know you could play the flying saucer, Baby Jake. Baby Jake loves to make a noise. Baby Jake loves noisy toys. Whoops-a-daisy, Baby Jake. I didn't expect that to happen.
Biba.
You're right, Baby Jake. Landing bump on your bottom made a big noise. Look out, it's the Hamsternauts. Hello, Hamsternauts. Oopsie. You started a game on musical planets, Baby Jake. Your turn. play musical planets all over again. Get ready, everybody! Here we go! Wow, Baby Jake! That must be the biggest noise in the universe ever!
Biba.
Okay, now that's the biggest noise in the universe ever! That's magic, Baby Jake. You do love to make an A, Baby Jake, don't you? Baby Jake loves to make a noise. Baby Jake loves noisy toys. Magic